Meaning of furiously.
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 Furiously. The word furiously is an adverb that means to do something in a violent, uncontrolled, and intense way. It implies a sense of anger, aggression, or passion. When used to describe one's actions, it suggests a state of extreme agitation or hyperactivity. For example, a person may furiously type on their keyboard, furiously throw objects around the room, or furiously argue with someone. The result of such behavior can range from a heightened sense of accomplishment to a destructive outcome, depending on the context and severity of the situation.